I cut the maple, and then this one that's invasive.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I just dug up a bunch of the dirt that was inside of the bonfire pit, and I'm now putting it into a bunch of the different trees and fruit trees because it's really high in carbon, and the trees love that.
Awesome. So one of the reasons why the arbs are not doing well is because they're not getting enough sunlight, and it's because of this forested area. And I'm cutting some trees out, even though I do not like that. And the reason is because a lot of them are invasive. If you go into this forested area, you can see we have a mulberry, which is growing right there. We did not plant it. And we have a bunch of other mulberries. I'm not really sure what this is called, but it has these little berries and it just spreads everywhere. So this is the third one that I've cut that we did not plant that's growing here. And the rest are there, or the other two are there. I think there's another one right there and there. And then the rest of this is honeysuckle. And so what I want to do is, oh, there's a maple, and there was an oak and another maple right here. Almost. Got it. That's it. Look at, it's still in the ground. It's still in the ground. Oh my gosh. That's the longest we've ever. It spanned all the way from there to here. We'll just pretend like that never happened. Want to help me?
No.
See if you can do it. Alright, sit together. 1, 2, 3. You're going down that way. Oh my god. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Hard. 1, 2, 3. Hard. Whee. We'll go heave ho, heave ho. Ready? Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho. No, it's not working. I mean, we did get some of it.
It just exploded.
It did. The branch from up there just fell almost on him. Look like it's really light. I've probably mentioned this before, but one of the reasons why we're deforesting this area is because it's killing the arbs we just planted there. So this is like a last-ditch effort to save them, I guess, and then we have big plans for this area. Well, we got it, but it's like taking everyone with it. Another huge root. What is that stuff called? We think this is buckthorn, and it's prolific, the seeds are anyway, and it constantly seeds itself.